So look, if you're trying to start an LLC in North Carolina, there's something you should know before you dive in. Most people make this whole thing way more stressful than it needs to be, and that's the moment when people usually start feeling lost. Because you've got the name search, the North Carolina Articles of Organization, the registered agent requirement, the operating agreement, the EIN, and then North Carolina has its own quirks that make things a bit different than other states. And you start thinking, wait, why does every guide say this is simple? So yeah, I completely get that overwhelmed feeling. And that's exactly why I always recommend simplifying the entire process. You really don't need to figure out every step manually or spend hours hunting down the right answers. The smarter option is to use a formation service that walks you through the entire setup so nothing gets missed. And here's the part no one ever seems to talk about. After forming multiple LLCs myself, there's one service that consistently made the North Carolina process smooth, fast, and honestly just easier. And that's Taylor Brands. Like, they explain everything clearly, file the documents correctly, keep you compliant, and make sure none of the important steps slip through the cracks. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to form a North Carolina LLC without paying a lawyer or spending hours trying to figure it out alone, use the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment, because my link automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks so much for watching. I wanted to save you time and keep this straightforward. If this video helped you out, go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.